Hello friends, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to update or install drivers on Windows PC. If you are looking for manually or automatically installed drivers, then this video is for you. So let's go. First of all, go to the start and just type Device Manager and click on the Device Manager. In Device Manager, I want to update or install my display adapter drivers. So just click on the display adapter. Here we find my graphics card. Just left click and go to the update drivers. Here we find two options. Second is the browse my computer for drivers. If you click on this, then your drivers on your desktop or your PC. We are going to click on the first option, search automatically for drivers. So just click on it and your drivers automatically install from the internet. It is searching online for your drivers and automatically install your drivers on your PC. It is the very simplest way. So it is starting my drivers downloading from the internet. You can use this process to update or install any drivers on your PC, any printer, any scanner or any drivers. It's take a time depending on the downloading driver size, so be patient and wait for some time. So now it's starting installing drivers. So my drivers are successfully updated and installed on my PC. So guys, this is the simple way to update or install drivers on your PC. So guys, thank you for watching this video guys, and don't forget to like, share, comment on this video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.